3, 2, 1. Action. All right. Alrighty. Alrighty. Now I can come over here. Okay, let's see. Floor system on your house, and you've got a dead roof. So really, what this, in this case, what it did, it handicapped the homeowner because now he's in need of a roof, and because the roof was not in good standing before they put the panels on the house, caused them to deny the claim. So what we're gonna try to help the homeowner. There's obviously some things that we need to do here to kind of get the roof in a position where the insurance company will consider it. The main thing is going to be right now, right off the bat, I'm gonna have a conversation with the homeowner about his trees. We want to make sure that the trees are not touching the eave of the house. That is considered a big no-no. Insurance kind of looks at that like a lack of maintenance when it comes to wear and tear items such as shingles. So we want to make sure that the shingles are not touching the eave of the house. So that's the biggest thing. Let me see. What else can I see over here? We've got an in-phase solar system. Right now we're looking at 31 panels. The panels are functioning, but they do need to be clean. That's another maintenance thing that we'll discuss with the homeowner. We want to make sure we keep the panels clean. I heard today with YSL Solar, and that's one of the things that they specialize in, is maintenance and care of solar systems. So that's something we will add on to the list of to-dos here once we get everything taken care of. Yeah, the system's functioning fine. Roof does need a lot of help, so we're gonna work on that. I'm looking at right now, there's a metal roof in the back. I'm looking for any hail up here. And right now it seems pretty clean. I'm gonna get a couple pictures of this, the ridge, and just go ahead and take a look at everything once we get back to the lab. But definitely, we can definitely help this homeowner. He's in great need of some TLC when it comes to getting this project taken care of. One more picture here. You just said, hey,